Hey there. Today we're going to see how to convert bulk raw images to JPEG in Photoshop, all less than a minute. If that's something interesting, let's get started. So step one is open your Photoshop. I've already have it on. And the process is very simple. We'll be converting a bunch of raw images to JPEG using Photoshop. So now first thing you need to go to File, go to Scripts, and you can see something called Image Processor. So click on Image Processor. Once you do, a window opens with multiple options. Select the images to process. Select folder. Select location to save processed images. Save in same location, keep folder structure, select folder, and third is the file type. So as you can see, JPEG is already selected. So let's start the process. So the first thing you need to do is take all the raw images you have and drop it in a folder which you'd like to convert. So I'm going to click on select folder and I'm going to go to desktop, and I have a folder called raw that has 3 raw images which I'd like to convert to JPEG. So I'm going to click on raw and click OK. So as you can see, the folder is selected and we go to step 2. The step 2 is select location to save processed image. Now I'm going to click on select folder again. I'm going to create a new folder called JPEG. And I'm going to select this folder. So then we move into the third step, which is file type. So the save as JPEG has already been highlighted. And then next comes the quality of the image. So currently it's at 5 and I'd like to have more quality on image. So I'm going to place it at 10. And that's about it. Once you select this, you just click run. That's it, guys. I'm opening the JPEG folder, and once I do, these files are converted to JPG. So that's how you do it. It's quite simple. I've been struggling with it in the past, and I just found this quick, easy method earlier, and I'd like to share it with you. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. If you'd like content like this, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions regarding the same, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Thank you.